Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start now. Back up essential data to Samsung Cloud or a PC so you don't lose files. Once done, make sure the battery is above 50% or keep the charger connected. An interrupted reset can brick the device. Now open Settings, tap General Management, then Reset. You're initiating the reset sequence. This is the first actionable move that clears user accounts and settings. Stay with me. Next, we'll confirm options and perform the actual wipe safely. Now you confirm precisely what will be removed. Look over the list showing accounts, apps, and settings set for deletion. You should remove Samsung and Google accounts first to prevent activation lock after the wipe. Do that if you haven't. Then choose Factory Data Reset, tap Reset or Delete All, and enter your PIN or password when prompted. The phone will reboot and begin erasing. This is the complex middle step where patience matters. Do not interrupt power or try to use the device. After the erase completes, the device reboots to the initial setup screen. Follow on-screen prompts to restore from your cloud or PC backup if available. Make sure your Wi-Fi or SIM is ready so accounts can be verified quickly. If the phone stalls or won't boot, don't retry resets repeatedly. Instead, power off, boot into recovery mode by holding volume up plus power, and perform a wipe cache or factory reset there. If problems persist, seek authorized service to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.